Look at this pen. It's loaded with features. It's blue. It writes in blue ink. Blue ink. It's made up of 100% refined plastic. It retracts with the click of a button. You can chew on it. You can fidget with it. You can even emphatically throw it on the desk to make a point. This is an amazing pen. Wait, what? You don't need a pen?
Never mind.
Now look, everybody, I was in sales back in the day. All right, not that far back in the day, but back in the day before this. You've got mail. Now look, when I first got into sales, information was the exclusive property of the salesperson. But the internet changed all that. Information became ubiquitous, ubiquitous. Information was everywhere. And it was so easy to get. Now, that should make the customer's job a lot easier, right? Yeah, right. Now, in fact, the customer's life is much harder. Why? Well, as my friend Dennis O'Neill points out in his book, Sales Actualization, the internet is a feature dumper. We've all been told over the years that feature dumping is a bad idea. We all know that the customer hates it, and yet today we are awash in it. Like, I travel a lot, so I value my noise-canceling headphones very much. So how many choices do I have? I mean, if I do a screen search on this, I'll be looking at noise-canceling headphones for days. Well, that's not going to work, so let's see if our friends at Amazon can help us out. Oh boy. Look, you see the problem, right? This is where great salespeople do their magic. It's no longer about information dumping. It's about two far more important things: perspective and wisdom. Now, the perspective is about what a product means in the context of a specific buyer. And the wisdom is about how to influence someone to do what is already in their best interest. So suppose I walk into a Bose store and I announce my interest in noise-canceling headphones. Now, a mediocre salesperson will tell me all the reasons why Bose is the best. But a great salesperson will figure out why I need the headphones in the first place. And she can then show me what matters to me. Then, if she can influence me to buy the Bose, that's great if it's the right thing for me to do. What about you? Are you still caught up in feature dumping? So I can tell you right now, feature dumping is always caused by the same thing: not knowing your customer well enough. If I don't know my customer well enough, I don't know what to talk about. So I talk about features. But how about this? How about we let the internet handle the feature dumping? Let's say we focus on what really, really matters. All right, there you have it. Another episode of our 5-minute sales training. Thanks so much for watching. And please, we look forward to you letting other people know. Send the link along so we can get more people enjoying these videos. And until next time, learn more to earn more.